NutriCap Labs is serious about stocking materials and packaging. We are a debt-free company with $7 to $8 million of raw material on hand at any given time. We have over 100,000 square feet of warehouse space with raw materials that allows us to have lightning fast turnaround time because we have your ingredients for your custom formulations on hand at all times. The process starts with the raw material intake. It is important when you choose a manufacturer that they have a solid standard operating procedure. At NutriCap Labs, as we receive raw materials, we quarantine the product for quality inspection and test that for micro, total aerobic count, staph, E. coli, salmonella, as well as FTIR, which is the material identity, to make sure that the product is what the supplier says it is. The NutriCap Sample Lab is where research and design of new products and custom formulas occur. $7.95 up front gets you one revision for powder formulations, 3 flavors at 30 servings apiece, and 300 individual capsules for capsule formulations. We provide the highest level of service with a 5 to 7 business day turnaround. This is where you get to taste the flavors and efficiency of your product to ensure that we provide the best product from sample to shelf. Now on to the powder line. This process starts with the powder being added to the screw feeder, which then feeds it to the auger, followed by the distribution into the bottle. The worker then adds a scoop, a desiccant, followed by the capper, which applies the top that is heat sealed with an induction seal. Next comes the label, and then a semi-automatic box maker packages it up so that your order is ready to go out the door on time. Our state-of-the-art all-fill machine automatically rejects out-of-spec bottles. So if your bottle weighs too much or too little, it'll be segregated, and as it moves on and learns to skew better, it'll provide for better efficiency for future runs. Depending on your formulation, we can produce around 20 to 40 bottles per minute. Here is where we really shine. We have perfected the art of the specialized formulation. Our blending and encapsulation process are based on years of hands-on experience with our specific machines and raw materials. We have semi-automatic machines for the lower runs, which are from 144 to 500 bottles. The 2 main machines used at NutriCap are Dr. Pharma, which is 1,200 per minute, and the 3,500. These machines are Korean-made, which allow for a larger footprint, less jamming, and more efficient workspace. NutriCap is kept locked at all times. This is in lockstep with the regulations set by the FDA. We keep strict records of labels that are taken out, what is used, kept, destroyed, and what is put back in to make sure that no labels are missing. In our retention room, as part of our quality assurance program, we keep products 1 year past the expiration date. A typical expiration date is 2 years. Therefore, we keep the product for 3 years in case of incidents of recalls, or if there are any issues with the product, we can pull that batch and sample it for further investigation.